Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to slim your body on CapCut. So if you want to make your body look slimmer on a video in CapCut, here's how to do it. So just click on the video and go to Enhance or Retouch. Okay, go to Retouch and then click on Body. Okay, so after that you can choose whether you want to set the slim effect automatically or manually. So here I'm going to just use the auto first. Click on the slim option, and after that you can just drag the circle here to adjust the intensity of how you want to make your body looks slim. So it will make your video shrink a little bit like this. So after that you can just click apply to all and click on a check icon, and just like that your body will become slimmer. So that's the auto settings. But if you want to do it manually, you can just click on slim, and in here you can adjust it like this. It's basically the same. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.